DDL command. So first of all, we will discuss what is DDL. DDL is nothing but the data definition language, in which we will create the definition of the objects which are present in the database. So tables is the one of the object which is present in the database. So we are creating the table, we are altering the table, we can drop the table, or we can truncate the table. So these four types are, or these four commands comes under the DDL, which are already shown on your screen. Okay, so we will go one by one and we will see in brief. Okay, so first one is create. So for which purpose this create command is used? This create command is used to create the table, create the database table. So what is the syntax for this? So the syntax for this is create table name. Then we can specify here the columns. We can specify a number of columns over here what you want, but for time being I am just taking two. Column 1, its data type, comma, column 2 and its data type. Okay, so this is the general syntax, and just we have to specify the semicolon at the end. So this is the syntax for create. So we will see this practically. I'm going to execute this one. So syntax is nothing but the create table, then table name. Suppose I have to create a table bank which is having some data. Okay, so create table bank, then its columns. What will be the columns? Suppose I am taking bank name and its data type is varchar2 with size 50. Okay, then I am taking second one, bank underscore id. Okay, its data type is number, and third one is address. Its data type is again varchar2. Okay, with size suppose 100. Okay, and then now it's, I'm going to execute this. See here, there is nothing on the prompt. Now I'm executing this query and it is executed. Okay, so the table bank created. Okay, so if you want to check this table is created or not, you can see it by this command desc, then table name. That is, what is that? That is nothing but the bank. So table name bank, I'm executing it. Now it is showing us the table structure. Here is the bank name, first column, bank id, second address, third, and its data type, respective data type. Okay, so this is the create statement. First DDL statement is create, for creating the table. Second, now what is the second? Second is the alter. So what is the use of the alter? By using this alter, we can modify the table. So which type of modification we can do? So by using alter, we can modify the data type of the table. We can add the columns into the table. We can delete, drop the column. This type of a modification we can do. So the syntax for alter is alter table name, then add column name and its data type. Okay, this should be the syntax. Okay, based on this syntax we will try to alter this table bank. Now it is having only 3 columns. I'm going to add the 4th column. So suppose I'm adding alter table and table name is bank. Okay, alter table name bank, then the add keyword. I have to add one column which is suppose I'm adding the column is bank code, bank code. So bank code or something like as an IFSC code, we can add like that. Its data type should be number. Okay, so I'm adding this and I'm executing this query now. I'm selecting this one and I'm executing this query. Okay, so table bank altered. See, I got a message table bank altered. Now I am trying to describe this table again. Okay, let's execute this query. Oh, now I am going to see there are the four columns. First is bank name, second bank, third is address, and last one is bank code. Okay, so this is the alter. Now we can add, delete, drop the table. Okay, the third one is nothing but the drop. So drop, what is the use of drop? We can drop the structure of table. Okay, so what will be the syntax is nothing but the drop table name. Okay, so this is my table bank, so I will execute this drop on it. So drop table name. What is the table name? Bank. You know that SQL is not the case sensitive language. If you write capital small, there is no effect. So we can do, I'm executing this query. I had executed, I got the message that table bank dropped. Okay, now I have to check it is dropped or not. So I am executing this describe. DESC is nothing but the describe query, describe bank, and what I will get. Then okay, object bank does not exist. Means the table is not exist there. It was already dropped. The structure had deleted. Okay, so this is the use of describe. And the last command, the fourth command is nothing but the truncate. Okay, truncate is used to delete all the rows of table. Okay, how we can delete all the rows of the table by using the truncate? The syntax is truncate table name. This is the syntax. Okay, so now we will try to execute this. I already had one table emp3 I think so. Let me check first. Okay, I'm having this table emp2. I don't have any type of a table. Okay, so we will create one table. We can, for creating the table, we are having one more syntax. Suppose that I'm having one table select star from emp. I'm having this table, but I don't want to truncate this table, so I will create the table with existing data. There are you can see here there are the 11 rows in the table. I can create this table with the same data into with another table name, so with emp1 as a table name. So create table name as select star from emp. If I'm executing it, it is already exist. Okay, I will try with emp2. Table emp2 created, means table emp2 is created. Now I am selecting that table emp2 is also having the same data. So for creating a table with the same data, we can use this command. Okay, now see the emp2 table having the 11 rows. Now I am firing the truncate table name. What is my table name? That is emp2. Suppose I will fire this query, what will be the result? Table emp2 truncated. Now I will fire select star from EMP. What will become? There is just a structure, there is no data. Means by using this truncate we can delete all the lines or all the data from the table. Okay, so guys, this is nothing but these are the DDL statement: create, alter, drop, delete. If you have any difficulty regarding this, you can and just write it into the comment section. In my next video will be on DML command, so please watch that also. If you like this, please like, share, subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.